What's going on, everyone? Welcome back. Today's painting is called The Abyss. This time around we had a little bit of issues with some clumping paint. I bought some new mixing bowls, and what I thought was mixed wasn't actually mixed because I was trying to use a popsicle stick rather than shaking it in the condiment bottles that we originally were doing it. So I didn't mix it well enough. So there's a little bit of clumps in the beginning. I tried to fix it a little bit, and then I think in one of the yellow paint maybe it shows up a little bit more. It doesn't really affect the end painting too much, but it is notable that make sure you're mixing your paints well enough with the Floetrol and water that you don't get clumps. Otherwise, it can mess stuff up pretty bad in the end. This time around, we ended up using the swipe technique with the popsicle stick, actually. So I took the popsicle stick, swiped it across the painting, try and get all the colors to blend together, but not muddy the painting as well. With that, I also put in a little bit of the art silicone. You can see the cells while it's working, but when it dries, I think it was a little too wet to hold all the cells. So when it speeds up and you see all the paint kind of moving, they all kind of start to fade away. Another thing is the painting itself. I did like these weird things with the popsicle sticks where I was like, I'll make, I don't know, a design. I don't know what I was doing, but I was having fun. Anyways, guys, take a moment, look at the final photo in this, and let me know what you guys think it looks like. I've got a couple ideas of what I think it looks like, but I'd love to hear what you guys have to think. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys again soon. Peace. Thanks again, everyone, for watching the video. If you could take a second to please like, subscribe, and comment down below, and we'll see you all again next week.